Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Have you ever wished you could play Clash of Clans on a bigger screen, with more precise control, and perhaps even better performance? Well, good news, you absolutely can. Using an Android emulator like Bluestacks lets you run your favorite mobile games right on your computer. It's truly the best way to experience Clash of Clans in 2025, offering a fresh, comfortable perspective on your village and battles. This method makes managing your empire, strategizing, and engaging in clan wars so much easier and more enjoyable. Getting Bluestacks onto your computer is quite simple. First, head over to the official Bluestacks website to download the installer file. Make sure you're getting the latest version for the best experience. Once downloaded, simply run the file and follow the on-screen instructions. The installation process is pretty quick and easy, and before you know it, Bluestacks will be open and ready for you to dive in. With Bluestacks open, the next step is to get Clash of Clans itself. You'll see an icon for the Google Play Store on the Bluestacks home screen. Click on it, and then search for Clash of Clans in the search bar. Once you find it, simply hit the Install button. Remember, you'll need to sign in with your Google account to ensure all your game progress is automatically synced and saved. To truly maximize your Clash of Clans experience, take some time to optimize Bluestacks settings. Head into the performance settings and allocate more CPU cores and RAM if your computer allows it. This can make your game run incredibly smoothly. Also, explore the key mapping feature. You can set up custom keyboard controls for troop deployment or using hero abilities, which gives you a significant strategic edge in battles. For the absolute best Clash of Clans experience on PC, always keep your Bluestacks installation updated. This ensures you have the latest performance enhancements and compatibility features, crucial for 2025. Also, make sure your computer meets Bluestacks' recommended system requirements for smooth, lag-free gameplay. With these simple steps, you'll be enjoying your village on a big screen with superior control, making every moment incredibly satisfying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.